Today we will see how to make this interesting doll using the macrame technique. For this project, we will need cords of 2 colors and a bead. You can choose the color combination or simply see what is available with you. You can also use woolen yarns as a second option. I will slip the folded side of the cord from the bead. Use the pointy side of the scissor to poke the cord out of the bead. Adjust the cords, it should be in equal length. Tie a simple knot at the top. Choose a plain round bead as it will be the head of your doll. You can also draw facial features over the bead later. This loop will be the top part, this will be the face of the doll, and we will make the body over these loose cords. To make the body, flip the cord upside down and fix the loose end of the cords with a tape. I am experimenting doing this with a red paper cord, but you can also use a woolen yarn or a different color cotton cord. Measure the length. It can be double the length of this cord. It's okay if we have some extra which we can cut later. Place the red cord under the white cord and we will start tying a square knot, leaving some space under the bead. This is the body or the shirt of the doll. We will tie a square knot and keep moving upwards. Make this last square knot. Now this has taken the shape of a doll. Adjust the knots well. Tie a small knot at the end of each red cord. They will be the hands. Do the same for the white cord. Tie a double knot at the end. These are the legs. Cut the extra cord with a sharp pair of scissors. Now draw a face over the bead. Your macrame doll is now ready. You can use this as a keychain or accessorize your bags with these fun looking dolls. We have used the macrame knot to make this interesting project. Don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you how to make a leaf using the macrame technique. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby? Watch the next video, Macrame Leaf.